Welcome back, ice dancers of YouTube. This is our second Technical Tuesday covering forward inside 3 turns. In our first video, we covered the importance of the body shapes as we prepare on the entry edge. And because preparation is everything, it's worth a quick revision before we start. We're going to start in our safe place, to the wall. As we start alongside the barrier, we're going to cycle through our 3 shapes from video 1, first with the shoulders out of the circle, second square, and thirdly bringing the shoulders to face into the circle. We're now ready to consider turning. Engage the blade rocker by pressing into the ball of the foot and follow through with a twist. After the turn, the upper body stays facing the barrier or circle to control the exit glide, which will be a backward outside edge, and revise that here if you haven't already. Moving away from the barrier, every rink has 2 of these handy semicircles to practice our 3 turns around. Executing the 3 positions before the turn should become smoother and seamless, with the exit glide trying to stay facing into the circle. That exit glide can be practiced without the turn to improve the check into the circle. Now for free leg progression. All preparation phases the same, 1, 2, 3, make the turn, but now extend the free leg. The L of the shoulders stays facing in the circle. By making the free leg extension a separate movement after the turn, we get to develop confidence with the advanced exit shaping while still practicing the simpler turn. It's time for some homework. Standing on one leg, we're going to isolate the pelvis, lifting and then lowering the free side of the pelvis. Be sure there is no rise and fall action in your standing knee. It's all in the hips. And now with an extended free leg. Here, the rise and fall of the free hip will be assisted by your turn out for the lift and turn in for the drop. And that sassy flump Miss Mina just gave is because this makes glutes sore. This drill works not only your free side, but also muscles controlling the posture of your standing hip. Needless to say, this drill has many benefits, including increased edge control on the ice, beautiful free leg lines, and a better booty 24/7. We invite you to join our tribe and subscribe, and in the meantime, here's some more great content from our channel.
It sound right, boy.